All right, so option B is to set up your PingBell within the PingBell app and then connecting it through a webhook. So the first thing you want to do is click on this plus button and name your PingBell. So my Shopify store and new orders, and click create. Then you'll get this webhook URL. You're going to click on copy. Then you're going to go in Shopify to settings, and then you're going to find notifications and webhooks. You're going to click on create a webhook, and you're going to click for order creation, and you're going to click on paste and click on save, and now it's connected. So now your store, every time you get a new order, is going to send a notification to this PingBell. Now you can go back into PingBells and click on edit counter, and then you can drag and drop and edit the counter and customize it as much as you want. There's a lot more customization options when you go this route. You can just explore them all, and you can also preview how it would look on different screen types. Don't forget to click save. One of the biggest benefits of going with option B is that it allows you a lot more flexibility with your design of your counter, but it also allows you for a lot more flexibility with creating many different PingBells. Not just for Shopify. We have integrations for Zapier and Make and ClickFunnels and Stripe and WooCommerce and so on and so forth. But within Shopify, you can also create a PingBell essentially for any event that you'd like. So you can have multiple PingBells with multiple events to track multiple KPIs and to have multiple counters that are going to be beautiful and that you can actually cast them onto different screens. So if you'd like to go this route, I highly recommend it. As you can see, it's not very difficult to create a PingBell and to copy and paste the webhook URL into Shopify. If you'd like to learn how to get this live on a TV, scroll down and I'll show you in the video below.